Who doesn't love hot food being cooked in a clay oven on hot coals? Tandoori food. The very name brings water to our mouths. And I want tandoori food in my house. How is that possible? Today, it's possible with Sanjeev Kapoor's Gas Oven Tandoor. This can be used with ease at home on your own cooking gas, and with this you can get delicious, mouth-watering tandoori food right in your own house. The Sanjeev Kapoor's Gas Oven Tandoor has 4 parts to it. This here is the base plate. When you need to start cooking, the base plate has to simply be placed on your gas with the flame in the center. It is advisable to add a little water here to keep your food juicy and fresh. After that, if you are cooking tandoori food, use the tandoori food plate. This has vents in it. These vents allow the juices which are not required, like butter, etc., to fall down into the water. You can even cook and bake in your gas oven tandoor using the baking tray. So once we have the baking tray in place, we can make lasagnas and cakes. In this area, both the tandoori tray and the baking tray come in non-stick coatings. Non-stick coating which is healthy and non-toxic for you. After that, the tandoor has to be closed with the lid. This is a unique special lid which has a reflector plate in the center. It is this reflector plate that ensures that food cooks at 360 degrees angle from all directions and all sides. This is what makes this an oven. Once the reflector plate has been placed on your oven with the food inside it, it cooks in every direction from top to bottom and you get authentic tandoori food. The Sanjeev Kapoor gas tandoor can be used to make a variety of things. You can use the tandoori plate for all kinds of kebabs and tikkas, be it in fish, chicken or paneer. You can also use it to make all kinds of breads, naans, tandoori roti, baati of dal bati churma. And then in the baking plate, you can make biscuits, muffins, cake and lasagna. Sanjeev Kapoor's Gas Oven Tandoor comes with a 1-year warranty, and as chef would say himself, happy cooking.